Hello and welcome back everyone to my class. Today I am going to discuss 5 most important questions for HS final examination from the chapter Human Reproduction. So the first question is, how implantation of human embryo occurs in the mother uterus, or what is implantation? The answer is, the morula continues to divide and transforms into blastocyst as it moves further into the uterus. The blastomeres in the blastocyst are arranged into an outer layer called trophoblast and an inner group of cells attached to trophoblast called the inner cell mass. The trophoblast layer then gets attached to the endometrium and the inner cell mass gets differentiated as the embryo. After attachment, the uterine cells divide rapidly and covers the blastocyst. As a result, the blastocyst becomes embedded in the endometrium of the uterus. This is called implantation and it leads to pregnancy. The second question is, how placenta is formed, or describe the formation of placenta during pregnancy. The answer is, after implantation, finger-like projections appear on the trophoblast called chorionic villi, which are surrounded by the uterine tissue and maternal blood. The chorionic villi and uterine tissue become interdigitated with each other and jointly form a structure and functional unit between developing embryo, also called fetus, and maternal body called placenta. Question number 3. What are the changes of follicular phase of woman's menstrual cycle? The answer is, it starts from the 6th to 10th day of woman's menstrual cycle and lasts for about 10 to 14 days. The changes seen in this phase are: number 1, the follicle stimulating hormone FSH secreted by the anterior pituitary changes the primary follicle into a Graafian follicle. Number 2, the Graafian follicle secretes a hormone called estrogen, which is used in repairing the damaged endometrium. Number 3, the uterine endometrium becomes thick and more vascular. Number 4, each Graafian follicle produces an ovum which develops in this phase. Question number 4. Draw a level diagram of human sperm. This is the figure of human sperm. The membrane around the sperm is called plasma membrane. The tip portion of the sperm is called ecosome. This is the nuclear material. This portion is called neck. These are mitochondria. From here, this portion is called tail portion, and this is the middle portion. Question number 5 and the last question is, what is the name of the milk produced during the initial few days of lactation? Why it is essential? The answer is, the milk produced during the initial few days of lactation is called colostrum. In Assamese, this is called fehu. It It is essential because colostrum contains several antibodies which are absolutely essential to develop resistance for the newborn babies. Breastfeeding during the initial period of infant growth is recommended by doctors for bringing up a healthy baby. That's it for today's video. Thank you.